So guys, remember in my last video how I talked about a couple of AI tools that can help you level up your designs in 2026? Right. Remember how I also mentioned that at the moment Moonchild is my favorite? Right. So we're going to be getting to dive into Moonchild a bit further. Like, we're going to practicalize everything I said last time in this video, and basically no theory this time around, like practical stuff. So if you have not watched the video from the last time, it's going to be linked in the description box, so go there and catch up. So let's get right into today's video. We copy and paste our prompt right here. We already have a prompt. I already have my prompt copied, so I just pasted my prompt and then click on create design. While it's creating design, you notice these two circles here. The silver flows easily. Like for the silver, you just get an easy flow, use it to shape and explore freely. While for that of the gold, it's for like high precision, save it for the moments that matter the most. So personally, when I'm just doing personal stuff, I tend to use the silver, except for more serious things, spending on me like a client work. Basically, I want to get more out of it, so that's when I use this. So right now, we're waiting for the AI to analyze our prompt and give us something to work with. All right, it's already popping up. So the thing with Moonchild is that it works beautifully with simple and direct prompts. Like, you don't have to. You can go in details if you want to, but with simple stuff, you will get a good thing to work with. Yeah, you don't need to like over explain yourself or explain your prompt. It basically, Moonchild understands layouts and your tone, your goals, and your design style faster than most tools that I have actually tried. So there it is. This is our first concept. So you notice that Moonchild doesn't exactly throw. It doesn't just throw rectangles on the screen. It gives you clear visual hierarchy. It has proper spacing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me put this by the side so that we can have more things to work with and more space. Nice. So, and zoom this in. Nice. So it feels like it's developer friendly already, and it has a nice balance between visuals and text. We already have like three screens. Calm space. You can see, look at what our prompts was. Emphasis was on soft colors, rounded corners, and friendly illustrations. Basically, a minimalist mental wellness app. And tell me this is not giving minimalist. I mean, it's subtle, it's calm, and the beautiful part is if this is not doing it for you, when you've seen something like this now, you can have an idea on what to say next if it is not what you want. So you just put that in this you just put that here and it works with what you give it. Or if you want to have sole control of the changes that you need to make, just copy and paste it in Figma. Just copy as Figma SVG and you paste it on Figma and you have your control. That's that when I realized it could do this, it just did it for me. Like, rarely do you see AI tools that let you copy and paste in Figma. Mm-mm. If you're going to copy anything, it's copying as PNG. Then you try to like maybe use a particular site to turn into SVG. Then that's a whole lot of stress and steps to walk through. But this one's straightforward, and that's like that's just perfect if you ask me. So we have something to work off now. So a calm space, find your calm. Like basically, the app is letting you know that okay, it's for wellness or like your mental health wellness. Click on the get started, but that's not working here because it's simply your high fidelity UI that you have right here. Then look at you even have your app bars, you guys. And the beautiful thing is when you copy it and paste it on Figma, you can copy this and when you paste it on Figma, for me, what I do is that when I copy it, I also when I clicked on this, you notice this text popped up. So this is like the text that is associated with this screen. So I just copied this. I will just copy this and place it next to the screen while on Figma, so that when I leave my workspace and come back, I don't have to like start rebooting on, okay, last memory, where was I, and stuff like that. I just read the text and I know, okay, this is what this screen is doing. Do you get, like, you've saved time with that? I don't know, designers, you understand. I don't think I should talk more than that. But I don't think I should say more than that. You get it. So let's go further and check out this app. Sorry about that. Okay, nice, nice. You have a guided medication for calm, for meditation for calm and all of that. So now that we've had like a first draft of the first concept, you notice that you can walk off this. But let's take this a bit like to the next level, right? Let's say we want to come up with let's say we want to come up with other screens, like onboarding screens now. So let's type it into this section. Let's type it into this section. Let's say design the onboarding screen for this mobile app, and let's see what we get from that. Right now, if I was on Figma and I had a blank screen, I'm just staring at a blank screen, I know how long it would have taken me to come up with this. I mean, even if I wanted to sketch, because before, sketching was like my fastest route to not wasting time on staring at a blank screen and going from um community to community, hoping to get a kind of like a click. Okay, we could work off this stuff like that. With this, I'm good. I can just copy and paste this on Figma. It's just amazing. And you can come to this section here where you see the different your different frames and their names. Then I just I didn't notice this before. You have a section where you can get your design systems. Is that not crazy? Like, either you create from the prompts, or you create from images, or you create a blank design system. Tell me this is not the tool for every designer. I don't know. If you're not using this, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm telling you. I don't know what you're waiting for. This saves time, like, it saves, and as much as it's saving time, you are still producing quality work, and you are still the creative director for this thing. It's just, it ticks all the boxes. It ticks all the boxes for me, for real. So let's see if we've gotten the screens we wanted. Okay, it's still analyzing. It's still analyzing. Now, I would have loved to do this. I would have loved to try out this design system, but I don't want two of them to be going on at the same time. I would rather get this done first before checking out, okay, the creating design system with either the images or from the prompts. But I mean, if you are trying this out and you want, like, do you anyone that comes first? But this is currently ongoing, so let's get that done. Okay, now this is here not there, like, it's not bad. This is good, actually. You can work off this. These are very very large buttons. I am not I am not one for large buttons, and there are some UIs that it works. But I've not enjoyed, but I've not really seen a mobile app that pulls off large buttons, more on desktop design. So now this is something one can iterate on Figma. You can actually iterate on it here. If you click on the screen and you come back to chat, and then you basically just input it here, that the button should be, basically tell it to put the icons beside the text, and the button should be less bulky, and you've gotten what you're looking for. But let's explore it. Let's see what it's actually provided us. This is nice. This is nice. If you notice, we didn't give it a name. So for every For every prompt to give it, it comes up with a different name, which is not actually a bother. Because I mean, if Camspace was not doing it for you, Serenity might as well just do it. This is just perfect. I love the subtle colors, the use of icons, the spacing, the alignment. I I don't think I need to say more than this. If you know, you know. That's just it. If you know, you know. Because now this onboarding is sleek. You can click create an account or sign in. The user inputs their details, what brings you here, basically your reason for wanting to use the app. The user flow is straightforward, simple. Because when you've, like, if I'm a user now and I finish inputting my details, I already feel like, okay, I'm done inputting my details. I should start using this app for what I downloaded it for. And that's the next thing, that's the next screen that is coming to you. Your reason for downloading the app, and you click on it. Let's click on this. Actually, so there is more. So when you copy this and paste on Figma, you see more of the screen because you can tell that there's a button here. So there's still more to this UI. So you go to the next screen and you can actually skip all of these, though they're very essential. If you skip them, I don't know if you get exactly what you're looking for. I don't know if you get exactly what you're looking for like your reason for downloading the app. If you actually click skip, you should actually go through something like if this was like a ready to use app. So now that's when you can actually iterate. As the designer, you can choose to take out this when you copy and paste it in Figma. Then move on to the next screen. Basically, do your thing. To me, this is, I think, to any designer that uses this app, there is no going back. That's just it. There is no going back because it saves your time, and I think I've been saying the same thing since. It saves your time. It helps you get your work done fast and while still keeping quality. That's something that is very, very rare with major design tools that we see lately. Very rare. It just does it for me. Like Moonchild responds to your creative direction, like similar to the way a junior designer would. It's not perfect, but it's fast. And the feedback loop is actually fun. Like I like that it takes its time, but not to the point of like wearing you out. That's very good. Once I'm happy with the direction, I just copy and paste it on Figma and I enter design mode fully, where I iterate and basically form the design according to my wishes. Let's put it like that. So you can't tell me that you cannot work off something based off of this screen you've gotten. You just, if you can't, then it's not the tool. Maybe you should check what it is. It's really not the tool. So, and there you have it. The final screens when you've iterated on Figma and have your final screens. Like even like this, if I show this to a developer, like they would immediately like understand the intent of the app. So there's clean spacing, there's clean structure, there's um there's low friction actually, like really low friction. I don't think I should say more than this. You get the gist. So if you want me to create more AI powered design walkthroughs, let me know in the comments. Put the list of or the name of the tool you want me to talk about and you want me to explore. We'll do that together. And if you haven't tried Moonchild, and this is enough to convince you to, because like it's one of those tools that genuinely makes you faster and keeps your work high quality. No doubt. We've seen for ourselves. So I advise you to try Moonchild for yourself. And again, it's free. It's free. So explore it right now. Thanks. So now that you've seen for yourself how amazing this product is and how it can level up your designs moving forward, if you haven't tried it for yourself, I think you should, because what are you waiting for? Because this is one tool that genuinely makes you faster and basically keeps your work high quality. So if you want me to create more AI powered design walkthroughs like this, let me know in the comment section what tool you're going to be, what tool you would like me to talk about, and I'll pick from there. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to turn on your notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.